that everything that has come to me will one day go to other people. I do poetry in hopes that people will shout amen for themselves and hallelujah for the good times. The bad times that won't remain, I hope that everything that they wish for, they will gain. I was simply telling them that this is for you. This is your space, and no one's here to, make you feel like you have to do anything. She sells. Listen. The students, they warmed up to me instantly because I didn't try to get a dictator over them. When I first got to Kolkata, the first thing I wanted to find out was, do these students know about America? First. Secondly, do these students know about hip-hop? If these students have, had contact with America, that must mean that they've had contact with hip-hop and rap. And so my goal for today was to show them a really, really small scope of how simply expressing yourself and putting yourself on the forefront can help you not only become a better English speaker, but it can also make you a better individual.